Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In today's episode I planned that I was going to take some measurements and show you how I go about making a CAD drawing of the uprights. But before I do that I need to sandblast off some annoyance, maybe it's called. I will do a bit of sandblasting just to get a bit calmer, and then I will do the measurement. So let's take care of the sandblasting. So these are the pieces that will be sandblasted during my therapy session. These are also basically the last pieces that have some major sandblasting left to do, or that are requiring a bit more sandblasting than the other pieces. And I also need to modify this one. So as you can see, I managed to remove a bit more rust and paint. So they are starting to look nice, but it's getting a bit boring to sandblast, especially the last few percents that needs to be removed. And then Tim started on something with his Nissan. So we are here in the lathe, and this is one of the studs holding Tim's rear subframe to the chassis, and it broke off. So we will use the lathe and make a hole through it, and then use a high quality or high strength threaded rod in the hole. And that will work fine. Isn't that so?
Yes, indeed.
Tim's happy. So it was more fun doing a bit of work in the lathe. I will show you the result in a later episode, but that will actually become the stud holding the subframe to the chassis. and a proper fix instead of just welding something on that will have errors due to heat hardening, etc., etc. So yeah, but the rust that remains on the parts that I showed you from the Supra is the type that's quite hard to remove, so I'm cheating a little bit, and I will show you now what I mean. So I have this very old bottle of rust remover. I think it's from 2004, and yeah, it's pink. I think it's phosphor acid, but I'm not covering it in any foil or anything like that, so it will evaporate and dry. So the work that it's doing is it has basically a time limit, so it won't really damage the metal. But I will leave it like this, and then the next time I am working with the sandblaster I can clean them off again, and hopefully they will be much nicer then. So that will be it for this episode. Another short one, but yeah, at least some work is being done, so we are moving forward. That's good, I guess. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.